Hello students, in the previous video we discussed about arithmetic progression, and in this video we are going to see what is the general term of an arithmetic progression. So the general term of an arithmetic progression is represented by T of n, and it will be given by a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d will be the common difference. So we can see whether this term T of n satisfies the property of the arithmetic progression, which is the difference between the terms should be equal to common difference, right? So now what will be T of n plus 1 according to the formula? It will be a plus n plus 1 minus 1 into d, and minus of what will be T of n? So T of n will be a plus n minus 1 into d. And from this we can see that this will be equal to a plus n into d minus a minus n minus 1 into d. So we can cancel a, and this will be equal to n of d minus n into d plus d. So when we cancel these terms, we'll be left with d, which is a common difference, right? So we can see that when we take the general term as a plus n minus 1 into d, it is satisfying the property of arithmetic progression. If we look at few of the examples, so let's take the examples discussed in the previous video, the odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. So here the first term is 1, second term is 3, and third term is 5. So here the first term is a equal to 1 and the common difference is 2. And what will be the third term? So now check whether the third term using the formula is the same as 5. So the third term will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is 3. So this will be equal to 1 plus 3 minus 1 into d is 2. So that will be equal to 1 plus 3 minus 1 is 2. So it will be 1 in plus 2 into 2, which will be equal to 1 plus 4, that is 5. Okay. So here you can see that the third term is exactly the 5 which we have written. And similarly, you can check for the fourth term, fifth term, and sixth term also. Now let's look at another examples taking even numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So here 10 is the fifth term, and a equal to 2 because 2 is the first term and the common difference is 2. Now apply the formula to check whether the fifth term is 10 or not. So what is the formula for the fifth term? So T of 5 equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into d, which will be equal to a is 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into 2. That will be equal to 2 plus 8, which is equal to 10. So here you can see that the fifth term, which is 10 in the series, is matching with the one we found using the formula. So this will be the formula for the general term of an AP. I hope you understood well. Thank you.